Installing Nessus on a Linux or Unix host. For Linux distributions, the appropriate package manager for the target operating system is used to install Nessus. For Red Hat, Fedora, and SUSE, this is the Red Hat Package Manager, or the RPM command. For Debian and Ubuntu, this is the Debian Package Manager, or the dpkg command. All commands must be performed as the system's root user. Upon completion of the install, the Nessus service needs to be started. Start the service using the appropriate command for the operating system. After the service has been started, a web browser needs to be used to connect to the Nessus server host on HTTP over SSL, port 8834. In order to install Nessus on the Linux host, we typically have to copy the file to the Nessus server after we have downloaded it from the Tenable support portal. Any application that supports SCP can be used. WinSCP is an application that can be downloaded from the Internet to complete this task. Open WinSCP, connect to the host where you want to install the Nessus server, and then copy the installation file onto the server. After copying the installation file onto the server, you need to SSH to the host. Once you are logged in, obtain root privileges and use the appropriate package manager command to install Nessus. Here we see an example of RPM. Once the installation process completes, you will need to start the Nessus service. You will enter /sbin/service space nessusd space start. Once the service is started, you can access the Nessus web interface to activate and configure Nessus.